Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to the class. Myself Inoma Rajawat from Shiv Jyoti Education Group, Kota. Kids, in earlier class we have done backward counting from 50 to 0 in your maths workbook 1. Kids, do you remember what is the meaning of backward counting? Okay, I will tell you. Backward counting means count down or back by saying numbers in reverse order. Example: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So kids, today we will learn to write backward counting from 70 to 0 in your maths workbook 2. So kids, take out your maths workbook 2. Open the page numbers 13 and 14. Kids, don't forget to mention the date and classwork on both pages. So kids, get ready to write. Take out your pencil. Write backward counting from 70 to 0. Kids, we will start writing backward counting 70. So write 7 at the place of tens. 0 at the place of ones. Yes kids, now you tell me what comes before 70. Yes, 6, 9, 69. So we will write here 6, 9, 69. 6, 9, 69. Kids, what should I write before 69? Yes, 68. So kids, write 6, 8. 68. Now 67. Very good kids. Write 6, 7, 67. Yes kids, now you tell me what comes before 67. Yes, 6, 6, 66. Very good kids. Write 6, 6, 66. Now what we will write here? Yes, 6, 5, 65. 6, 5, 65. Kids, what should I write before 65? Yes, 6, 4, 64. Write 6, 4, 64. Yes kids, write 6, 3, 63. Now, yes kids, now you tell me what comes before 63? Yes, 62. Write 6, 2, 62. Now you will write 6, 1, 61. Very good kids. Write 6, 1, 61. Kids, now you tell me what comes before 61? Yes, 60, 60. So kids, write 60, 60 here. 6, 0, 60. Kids, now you tell me what comes before 60, 60? Yes, 5, 9, 59. So kids, we will write here 5, 9, 59. Write 5, 9, 59. Kids, what comes before 59? Yes, 58. Write 5, 8, 58. Now you will write 5, 7, 57. Very good kids. Write 5, 7, 57. Yes kids, what should I write here before 57? Yes, 5, 6, 56. 5, 6, 56. Now what we will write here? 5, 5, 55. Write 5, 5, 55. Kids, what comes before 55? Yes, 54. Now we will write here 54. Yes. Now you tell me what comes before 54? Very good, kids. 53. Write 5, 3, 53. Now you write 5 to 52. 5, 2, 52. Kids, what we will write here before 52? Very good. 5, 1, 51. So kids, write 5, 1, 51. Kids, now you tell me what comes before 51? Yes, 50. Very good, kids. So kids, write 50, 50. 5, 0, 50. Kids, now you tell me what comes before 50? Yes, 4, 9, 59. So we will write here 4, 9, 59. 4, 9, 59. Kids, what should I write here before 59? Yes, 4, 8, 48. Write 4, 8, 48. Now we will write here 4, 7, 47. Write 4, 7, 47. Kids, now 4, 6, 46. Write 4, 6, 46. Kids, what we will write here before 46? Yes, 4, 5, 45. Write 4, 5, 45. Kids, what should I write here before 45? Very good. 4, 4, 44. So kids, write 4, 4, 44. Kids, what comes before 44? Very good. 4, 3, 43. Write 4, 3, 43. Kids, now what we will write here? 4 to 42. Very good, kids. Write 4 to 42. Kids, what should I write here before 4 to 42? Yes, 4, 1, 40. So kids, write 4, 1, 40. Kids, now you tell me what comes before 41? Yes, 4, 0, 40. Very good, kids. Write 4, 0, 40. Kids, what comes before 40? Yes, 3, 9, 39. Very good, kids. Write 3, 9, 39. Yes, kids. What should I write here before 39? Very good. 3, 8, 38. Write 3, 8, 38. Now what we will write here? 3, 7, 37. So kids, write 3, 7, 37. Yes, next what we will write here? 3, 6, 36. 3, 6, 36. Yes, kids. What should I write here? 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. Kids, now you tell me What comes before 35? Yes, 3, 4, 34. So kids, write 3, 4, 34. Yes, next. Now we will write 3, 5, 3, 3, 33. Yes, kids, what should I write here? Yes, 3 to 32. Write 3 to 32. Now what we will write? 3, 1, 31. So kids, write 3, 1, 31. Kids, we have done on the page number 13. Now we will do on page number 14. Yes kids, now you tell me what comes before 31. Yes, 30. So kids, write 3030. 3030. Kids, what comes before 30? Yes, 29, 29. Write 2, 9, 29. What should I write here before 29? Yes, 2, 8, 28. Write 2, 8, 28. Kids, now what we will write here? 2, 7, 27. Write 2, 7, 27. Very good kids. Kids, now you tell me what comes before 27. Yes, 2, 6, 26. So kids, write 2, 6, 26. Now kids, what should I write here? Yes, 2, 5, 25. Now what we will write here? Very good kids. 2, 4, 24. Write 2, 4, 24. Yes, now what we will write here? 2, 3, 23. Now 2 to 22. So kids, write 2, 2, 22. Kids, what should I write here? 2, 1, 21. Write 2, 1, 21. Kids, now you tell me what comes before 21. Yes, 2, 0, 20. So kids, we will write here 2, 0, 20. Kids, what comes before 20? Yes, 1, 9, 19. So we will write here 1, 9, 19. Kids, what should I write here? Yes, before 19. Yes, it's very easy. 1, 8, 18. So we will write here 1, 8, 18. Now, what we will write here? Very good kids. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Kids, now we will write here 1, 6, 16. Kids, now you tell me what comes before 16. Yes, 1, 5, 15. Write 1, 5, 15. Now we will write 1, 4, 14. Yes kids, what should I write here before 14? Very good. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Now we will write here 1 to 12. Write 1, 2, 12. Kids, what should I write here? Before 12? Yes, 1, 1, 11. So kids, write 1, 1, 11. Very good kids. Now kids, tell me what comes before 11? Yes, 1, 0, 10. So kids, write 1, 0, 10. Kids, what comes before 10? Yes, 9. So kids, write 9 at the place of ones. Now you will write 8. Yes kids, what should I write here? Before 8? Very good kids. 7. Write 7. Now 6. Now what we will write here? Yes, 5. Now 4. Yes kids, what should I write here? Before 4? Yes, 3. Now what we will write here? 2. Yes kids, now you tell me what comes before 2? Yes, 1. Write 1. So kids, do this work in your Maths Workbook 2, page numbers 13 to 16. Like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.